Alright boys, we're out here today. It's October 3rd, so 2 days into archery opener on a piece of state land. Wind's blowing out of the west right now, like 5 miles an hour. It's supposed to die down and turn out of the east later tonight. So we're going to walk up here. We got a spot picked out. We've seen deer moving on it. Saw a couple of bucks and then a few doe. So we're going to go off of that. Caden behind the camera there, he's going to film some stuff and see if we can't get one down tonight.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I can understand. Yes, I am.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I should take it slow.
So we're up in the stand here. Caden's over there, he's putting his stand up. He's getting ready. We haven't jumped any, which is good. Got in here a little late, which kind of sucks, but we're gonna try to make the best of it, so. Green arrow down. Blood on the arrow. Blood on the arrow.
So after getting down from the stand, we went and looked at the arrow, and so the deer is kind of quartering away from me. So there's some guts on it, but a lot of blood. So we backed down, waited for our buddies about an hour, and then we went back in after.
Boys.
Which way did you hear?
Track.
Back here.
Boys are tracking her hard. Yeah. There's the guts.
Dude, I think we're right about it being split and open. It doesn't come out of a 2-inch hole, I'll tell you that. From experience.
Got him! Got him!
Spraying blood all over the place.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Bloody. Oh yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, we ain't bringing that back.
I can show you how to make one out of a backpack.
Funny, yes, but not funny, haha. Funny, weird.
Alright guys, just got back. Deer's all butchered up, quartered up, so we got inside. We're gonna start cleaning it, cooking it, walk you guys through the process of how we do it, and then see if you guys can try it and if you guys like it. So get to it.
What's the trick to clean these fuckers?
You just fucking get her in the water and start rubbing her off, man.
What do you do about the silver skin? You cut that off?
No, I'm just gonna cook it with it on there.
So what are you doing? Just taking the silver skin and the fat off?
Oh yeah.
That was from the broadhead. Y'all want the pan off? We'll hit it.
We're gonna fillet it like in chops, or how?
Yeah, you just fucking make
slivers and then fry it in a pan. You want me to grab a pan then?
sure.
I say just toss it on the toss the butter. Add a little bit of seasoning. The lineup, folks, got a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, pepper, some good old rub some burger for dead cow.
toss that shit on there. Don't worry about tossing too much. She'll just taste a little good. Tastes a little good. Tastes a little salty.
Did you put salt on it?
No, I just rub some burger on it. Stroke her like you're pulling over a 2-stroke motor. Mix that shit up real good.
Well, the little girl didn't do too shabby, boys.
That's from our hindquarters there. Honestly, it's not bad.
One bag of meat. No, that's probably fucking.
That's at least 2 dinners, 3 dinners.
That's 8 pounds of meat right there. Off the hindquarters.
Whole 8 quarters. Pounds.
There's fucking stone. Look how many pieces there. So. Like, there's probably over 100 pieces.
Right.
I'll be a sandwich. Jake will eat half of it. Is it gone already? Huh?
That's good too.
All that?
Yeah, well, Jake, I mean, you know
There's
Jake.
still 2 insects.
Best 2 out of 3 for names. You got Marsh Mobbin Outdoors, DC Outdoors.
Come stay outdoors.
No, we don't got that one. We got Downey Hunters, and we got F'd Up Outdoors. So go for it. First one, Marsh Mobbin Outdoors.
3-way tie. 3-way.
Next one is DC Outdoors.
Fuck! 3-way. Fuck!
Oh, that's bad. No, it's okay.
Downey Hunters.
We gotta get one twice. 2 for 2.
Wait, no, yeah.
We gotta get one twice. We restarted.
DC Outdoors. That's.
Fuck!
No, we're not DC Outdoors.
No, we didn't.
F'd Up Outdoors.
That was again.
DC, no, fuck DC Outdoors. This shit's rigged. F'd Up.
That's the coolest one, but I think Downey Hunters is the funniest. Downey Hunters is fun. That'd be like, offensive.
Yeah.
No, I know. We're gonna have 6 people subscribe to this fucking YouTube channel. If we're going pro, we got a good name. Marsh Mobbin.
Marsh Mobbers.
What do you think?
Hawaiian rolls, butter knife, slice them. Get them all good. Thicker the better there. Do that to all of these, toss them in the microwave for a minute or so, maybe a little bit less. Come back over this way. Grab yourself a fucking spoon, spatula, whatever the hell you want. Get a little bit of that sauce on there.
That's carbs in that shit.
Then you take over here.
That's just not done.
It's good enough. Put that on there. That's fucking good. Thoughts on it?
What?
What are your thoughts?
It's delicious. Close to the cup.
What do you think, Coach? Chef Kid?
Better than shit on a shingle.
What you got down?
Shit's busting.
Alright boys, we're out of here. We got one down tonight. Could have gone better. Probably try to post weekly in the future, so like, comment, subscribe. We're new to this YouTube shit. See ya.
Oh, it's so fucking bumping, dude.
So after getting done from the Alright Jake, what are we cooking up now?
Fucking deer heart.